showdown. With your permission, may I begin? Thank you, judges.
Jeremiah. Thank you. Hold on. You want to hear my feedback? Okay. Your forward stances, your heel is still off the floor. That needs to get fixed. That is like a biggie points off. Okay. But you did better about when I asked you not to look down. You were looking eyes up on pretty much your whole kata until the last 4 chops. So just get your eyes up on the last 4 chops, and that was good. And your power's still there. Your little details that we need to fix, but the biggest one I want you to work on is that forward stance. When you step, you have to keep that heel planted on the floor, okay? Thanks, Jeremiah. Great job. Little step. It's a little half step. No. Yeah, it's still a forward stance.